Okay, today I'm here to celebrate a very special person. From the first moment I saw him, I knew it was going to be different. He was going to be the roommate for me. And the moment I saw him bringing what I thought was way too much crap into our room, and he came in with way too many coffee machines and way too many bags of coffee, I knew I was in for a weird year with my roommate. But now I know, Peter, I want you to be more than my roommate. I want you to be there through thick and thin, through whatever all the other stuff is. So I've been thinking, since our first date at that generic restaurant that we definitely went to, and since all those trips to those romantic places that we definitely took, and through all those cozy nights by the fireplace and nights at the beach, I just knew you were the one for me. So Peter, will you do me the honor of marrying me?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Marriage. Marriage is what brings us here today. Marriage, that blessed arrangement. A dream within a dream. Jaden and Peter are here today for this treasured arrangement in front of their friends, families, and acquaintances, because they don't know you guys that well. Promising their commitment in this classroom today and each day forward. We will not be here today without love. True love. True love between these two. True love will follow you forever. So treasure it always, for it is your greatest weapon against the entire world. Now, if you guys have vows, it will be a perfect time.
I do just have my vows prepared in the minutes. We should hold hands. Jaden, who would have thought that a random roommate assignment 4 months ago would bring me here, standing in front of you today, ready to promise you forever? It's funny how life works. 1 minute, we're two strangers figuring out how to share a door, and the next, we're two people who somehow fell into the most intense, unexpected, and ridiculously fun love I've ever known. From the very beginning, you've been a constant source of wonder to me. You're not just my partner, you're my best friend. My favorite person, and the one who somehow managed to make college, messy and stressful as it is, feel like home. Jane, you are one of the most interesting and exciting people I've ever met. You're tall and skinny, like unreasonably tall and skinny. But you carry yourself like someone who's not afraid to take up a lot of space in the world. You are ridiculously smart, the kind of person who can casually drop facts about Japan culture, history, or vending machines. Seriously, how are you so good at remembering all this stuff? But more than being smart, you have this way of seeing the world. This curiosity and openness that makes everything more colorful when you're around. There's also your quirky side. We're a third of the way here. Which I love just as much. Like how you're so good at drifting. I'm skipping that part. Oh, or how even with that terrible haircut, you somehow look better than I do on my best day. And then there's the way you make me feel. Jaden, you make me laugh harder than I ever thought possible. You make me feel safe in a way I've never felt before. You remind me every day that love can be messy and wild and hilarious and absolutely perfect. So today, I want some promises. Promises that reflect how much you mean to me and how much I believe in us. I promise to be your biggest fan, whether you're rocking a new thrift store outfit, reminiscing about your life in Japan, or crushing whatever it is you set your mind to. I promise to always remind you how ridiculously handsome you are, even when you're rocking a questionable haircut. I promise to support you in the big moments, like chasing your dreams, and in the small ones, like figuring out what to eat for dinner when neither of us wants to cook. I promise to keep trying to dress better, even though I know I'll never come close to your level. I promise to be your balance, your steady hand when things get hard, your laughter when you're feeling down, and your partner in every weird and wonderful thing life throws our way. Most of all, I promise to love you with everything I have. I promise to love you for who you are today, the boy who swept me off my feet in just 4 months, and for who you'll be in the years to come. I promise to love you in your best moments, your worst ones, and in everything in between. Because you, Jade. Because with you, Jade, I found the kind of love I didn't think was possible. So here's to us, to the 2 roommates who turned into partners, who turned into forever. Here's to every thrifting trip, every late night conversation, and every moment that makes me fall in love with you all over again. Jane, I didn't know love could be this fun, this crazy, or this good. But with you, it's all of that and more. I'm excited for our future together, for the adventures, the laughter, and maybe even a better haircut or 2. I love you, Jane, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life making sure you know that.
Very, very, very.
I'm a that.
Do you, Jane, take Peter as your lawfully wedded husband in sickness and in health, good times and bad, committing yourself for the rest of each other's lives? Do you, Peter, take Jane as your lawfully wedded wife in good time to hold in good times and bad times, in sickness and health, for your rest of your entire lives?
How about?
May I show the ring? Oh, there's just one ring. Where did the other ring go? Okay. Thank you. Jane, please place this ring on Peter's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I promise to love you truly now and forever.
I promise to love you truly now and forever.
Don't bite it. Don't bite it.
It's natural.
Okay. Peter, please take this ring and place it on Jane's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I promise to love you truly now and forever.
I promise to love you truly now and forever.
With these wonderful promises and rings, you made your love clear by the power invested in me by the state of Illinois and by the approval of Professor Riza Shamiras, I think. I don't know. I now pronounce you married. You may kiss.
That was touching. I have tears in my eyes. Very touching. Lots of touching. Hello, everyone. My name is Ava Majori, and I've been privileged to be Jaden's maid of honor. First and foremost, I would like to thank Jaden and Peter for inviting me to stand beside you on your most special day. I've been Jaden's best friend since, well, basically forever. And as I stand here today, all I can think is how beautiful he looks. I'll never forget the day I first truly met you. Our RA invited us to go to the pool in the rec center to see the movie The Meg. And out of our whole floor, you, me, and my roommate Luca showed up. We ended up not going in, and instead I invited you to our room to watch a movie on my bed. That's because I thought he was gay. The fashion, the looks, the skinniness, the height, the face, and the voice, guys, come on. I really thought you were gay. You informed me that you were straight. And when you said that, you know what I thought? I thought, all he needs is a very special person to open that closet for him. Little did I know, Peter would very soon become that special person. Throughout the semester, exploring the thrift shops, the boba shop, the canoodling, the movie nights, the snuggling, playing Minecraft, the cuddling, and the random adventure walks and beautiful hikes, Jaden has become my greatest companion, and I only want what's best for him, which is exactly why Peter is perfect. I knew that Peter was best for Jaden only a few days after I met him. Peter's fun-loving qualities and his type B personality was exactly what Jaden needed in his life. As Jaden's closest confidant and also a good friend of Peter, I've had the privilege of watching your relationship start, grow, and build over time. The way you two smile at each other, the way your eyes light up when the other walks into the room, the unwavering support tells me and any other observers that you two have a dying love for each other. Marriage is built on foundations of love, togetherness, support, but also individuality. That's where you two have found your sweet spot. You're both so different. You have different interests, different lives, and yet you both deeply respect each other because of that individuality. I've seen how well you guys work together, how you lift each other up, build off each other's strengths, and how you support each other through challenges. I am honored to be part of your life and see the life that you will create with each other. Peter, as I'm sure you know by now, you're marrying a man of great character. Here's a few tips to survive your marriage. First, Jaden's a yapper, okay? Just let him talk, even if it's boring. If it helps, you can put your phone up behind him and just pretend that you're listening, but you're just watching football. Sometimes Jaden really likes to mansplain. Don't worry, it happens to all of us, so fear not. Just nod and say, oh. You can always come to me to complain about him. I know you eventually will. To patch things up after a fight, Jaden really loves coconut pie. Throw in some lip balm and hand cream and you're golden. Always, and I mean always refill the Brita filter after you take water out. He really doesn't like it when you don't do that. Needless to say, of course, Jaden's perfectionist and tightly wound qualities won't always clash with Peter's relaxed and easygoing personality. But that's where I know their relationship will grow. Compromise, support, trust, communication, and especially intimacy are all qualities that this relationship has. I absolutely cannot wait to see how you two will grow. Always know that I and others are here to cheer you on as you go through your lifetime of adventure, love, and laughter with each other. So, congratulations, groom and groom, and let's raise a toast, a glass to your love, and let's get this party started.
Amazing. Thank you.